Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. So today I am going to do a flip through of my guest design team project for Steph over at JunkwithSteph. Very proud of this little journal. I did decide to go ahead and make a journal. This is the third video I've did this morning, so you may have to excuse my voice just a little bit. You guys know how that wreaks havoc on my voice. Talking for too long. So we're going to go ahead and get right into this flip through. I'll try not to go too fast, but yeah, I can feel my voice getting a bit upset with me. So this journal is 7.5 by 5.5 with a 2-inch spine. And I did sew in the signature and then cover the spine with some vintage lace. I got a little piece of vintage crochet dolly here. The lace wraps around the back. And for the closure, I've just did a loose piece of sari silk for the closure. Here on this side, it is about 4 inches. She started getting to be a little bit of a gator mouth. And it does have 2 signatures with a middle insert and 128 pages. So we'll get into her. So on the cover, we just have some vintage crocheted dolly and lace on the front. And I just did a little cluster here that says Aspire. And these little flowers here are from Claudia at Timeless Crochet For You. She is an absolute sweetheart, so you guys need to go over there and check her shop out. And then I just printed out this image, which I thought went really good with the kit, the flowers and the colors in it and everything. And I did collage this on just a piece of cardboard from a box. So in the front cover, I made a pocket here with one of the pages from the kit. And this pocket was inspired by Tina at Shabby Dabby Doodah. So in this little pocket, we just have one of those over the page and belly clips inspired by Gail Augustinelli. Piece of Tina at Shabby Dabby Doodah's, I believe it's Victorian letters in her shop. And then a tag from the kit with some sari silk at the top. And then one of the time cards from the kit. So the time card just goes here in the back pocket. And then we have a pocket there. Try to keep my fat arm out of the way. And then we have a pocket there. And this is the beginning of the first signature. So this is just a page from the kit. Some children's writing paper that I've coffee dyed. This is avocado dyed paper from Denise at Wonderbar Crafts. And here I just made a pocket with some music sheet and book pages. This is actually one of the pieces of ephemera journaling cards from the kit that I just shrunk way down and made a little tuck there. And in this pocket, we just have a little piece of Tim Holtz ephemera and a repair tag that I actually decoupaged a napkin onto and some sari silk at the top. And then we have a dolly and a page from the kit. Some ledger paper. Another page from the kit. And this is called Grunge Plum. It is from 9 of Chromes on Etsy. I bought quite a good bit of paper from her, and I really love her paper, so you guys need to check her out as well. Coffee dyed paper. Lined page from the kit. This is so pretty, Steph. I absolutely love this. It's called Country Chic. I'm not sure if I said that. If I didn't, I apologize. But this is her Country Chic digital that's in her Etsy shop. This is one of those little pocket belly bands we made that I saw on Scrapbooking with Me crafts. I really enjoyed watching that. Thought these were super cute. I think Amy did some fall ones over on her channel at Crafty Cat. And I absolutely love what she did with those. And just a piece of ephemera here. Again, this is, I believe, Victorian letters from Shabby Dabby Doodah and an avocado dyed guest check from Denise at Wonderbar Crafts. And this is some of my coffee dyed paper. Another page from the kit. And this is some avocado dyed music sheet from Denise at Wonderbar Crafts. Some of my tea dyed paper. Right here, I have a corner pocket, I believe is what you call those guys. Is that right? And then in here, I've just included a tag from the kit. Some vintage lace at the top. And then this is just a little tea bag. You guys can decorate or do whatever you want to. And just some pieces of ephemera in there. And a vintage Rolodex card for you to play with. And this is Rachel at Roxy Creations. Antique book page digital, I believe, in her shop. And then a fussy cut butterfly. Just have that bag here. And inside I've just put some Tim Holtz ephemera in there. Love my Tim Holtz. Another beautiful page from the kit. And here's one of the over-the-page embelly clips from Gail Augustinelli over on her channel. So you guys need to go over there and check out that tutorial if you're interested in those. I really love those. They're fun to make. Pretty easy to make as well. Another page from the kit. Just some pink paper. And here is one of my square coffee-dyed coffee filters that I actually sell in my Etsy shop. And we have a big journaling card back here that I've made. And a cute little charm there. The notebook plate is from Tina at Shabby Dabby Doodah. She's got a fussy cut and a label here. And I just backed it with some of Rachel at Roxy Creations straw paper. And then we have a little pocket here. And we just have a tag from the kit that I've shrunk down. Another little piece of ephemera. And I also shrunk down the envelope. Got a little piece of tea-dyed paper in there. And then on here, I just did a little collage, fussy cut flowers. This is also a piece of ephemera from the kit that I shrunk down. And Believe in Yourself. So this card goes in that pocket back there. We have this here. This is the middle of the first signature. And that beautiful paper from her kit. Some pink paper. And then here I've just made a pocket from one of the journaling cards in the kit and put some of the ephemera from the kit in there. Loving all this pink. Another beautiful page from the kit. Some of my tea-dyed paper. This is one of the envelopes from the kit. And all I've did with this is just left it as kind of a flip out. Ever who ends up with this journal, you can decide whether you want to, you know, glue it down and put some goodies in there, or just leave it open up for journaling space. Another page from the kit. It's the other side of that bag. Just used a piece of ephemera from the kit. And again, we have some Tim Holtz in there. Tea-dyed paper. Avocado dyed music sheet. Another beautiful page from the kit. Tea-dyed paper. And on this side, the in the middle of the two signatures, I actually have like a folder, folio, little thing. I'm not really sure what you call it. Maybe you guys can help me out with that. But it was a stationery pack, and I remembered that I had it and thought it would coordinate really good with Steph's kit. So this is just a piece of the stationery, and it just flips down. And I've made a pocket, and I have a couple of pieces of ephemera in here. Beautiful tag from the kit. And we have a dolly here. Another page from the kit. Coffee dyed paper. Grunge plum paper. And this is a avocado dyed digital print from Denise at Wonderbar Crafts, if you guys are interested in that. Another beautiful page. Steph, I love these pages so much. And some ledger paper. Another beautiful page from the kit. I love how she used all the colors, the greens and the pinks, and it's even got some gold in there, which I'm not a huge fan of gold, but it just works in here, and I just absolutely love it. Another dolly, another over-the-page embelly clip. Children's writing paper that's been coffee dyed. And that is the end of the first signature. This is the middle insert that I have. So this was actually just a stationery pack, and I remembered that I had it and knew that it would work beautiful with this kit. So I just did some muslin down the side to reinforce the spine, one of Tina's numbers. And this just opens up, and these are the envelopes that were in the stationery pack, and they just fold out. And in each one, we have a piece of the stationery that coordinates with the pack. I tell you guys, when I take things out, I have the hardest time putting them back. So that's there. And then this is actually where the envelopes were, and this is where the stationery was. And in here, I just used the circles and the bands and just made a closure around some of my tea-dyed paper. There's a couple of other pieces of ephemera in there. And those just fold back down. And this just ties up right here with some of this twine, I guess it is. And then on the back of this, I didn't do anything but put a label here. And the purpose of that was just to cover up the UPC. And this is the beginning of the Sackett signature. Another beautiful page from her kit. Child's writing paper that's been coffee dyed. Another one of those pockets that I made. And a tag, repair tag that's been decoupaged with a napkin. Dolly. Another beautiful page from the kit, ledger paper. I love this when you have the flowers and the collages faintly in the background and the script. The writing, I really love it. That grunge plum paper, coffee dyed paper. Another beautiful page from the kit. A dolly. Here's another one of those belly band pockets from Scrapbooking with Me. The guest check, avocado dyed from Denise at Wonderbar Crafts, and just a piece of my tea dyed paper. Then another beautiful line page from the kit. Music sheet, tea dyed paper. And this is another one of the bags, and I've just put some Tim Holtz ephemera in there. And I'll probably end up putting a few more pieces of ephemera in these. And then just put some trim here and another circle piece from the kit. Another beautiful lined page. The over the page and belly clip. Another beautiful page from the kit. And then here we just have that other envelope. Again, it is not glued down and glued shut. Ever who ends up with this journal can decide what you want to do with that. And this is the middle of the Sackett signature. And then here we have another one of those square coffee dyed coffee filters with a big journaling card here that's just been collaged. And we have a little heart here, charm on a bulb pen. And again, I just did some collage in here. I put Never Give Up and the shrunk down envelope and tag and another little piece of ephemera from the kit. That just goes down in there. I really like shrinking down these envelopes. I think they're so cute. And then here we have another page from the kit. And then here I did another belly band here. Going this way. Is that horizontal? Who knows? Anyway, I get those mixed up. So we have another tag from the kit and just some antique trim at the top. And at the top of this page, I did just some really light blue vintage lace up there. Another beautiful page from the kit. Other side of that bag, again, with some Tim Holtz in there. And then here we have another corner pocket with a tag from the kit. Some Sorry Silk at the top. And then I just have another one of those tea filters. And then some music sheet. Another lined beautiful page from the kit. Over the page and belly clip. A couple I just put at the top and some I put at the sides. I wanted to show you guys the different ways that you could use those. Another beautiful page from the kit. Some coffee dyed paper. That grunge plum. She's getting fat, guys. Can't hardly hold her open. Another beautiful page from the kit and some more of that ledger paper. Another beautiful page from the kit. Another dolly. And this one is that stationary again, but this one, it actually flips up. And then under here, I put kind of a upside down pocket, I guess you could call it. Just a little tag from the kit that I've shrunk down with a little piece of sari silk, and then another little piece of ephemera. Children's writing paper. And that's the last page from the kit. And over here on the back page, I just did a pocket and put some of the journaling cards and the time card, which I did cut this one down a little bit. And then another tag from the kit in that pocket. And I am including the rest of the ephemera in this pack that I had left over. So everyone who ends up with this journal will get that as well. So that is my guest design team project for Steph at JunkwithSteph. Steph, I really do appreciate you inviting me to be a guest design team member. I had a fantastic time with this kit. It is a beautiful, beautiful kit. And well, you guys, she has lots of beautiful digitals in her shop. So you all need to go over there and check her out. So that's going to be it for today, guys. My voice is going. This journal will be listed in my shop sometime within the next couple of days, if not today. So I appreciate all of your support. Steph, thank you again for inviting me to be a guest design team member. I had a blast. Y'all have a wonderful day, and we'll see y'all later. Bye.